Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Tidio for automated lead responses, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Tidio website in your preferred web browser. On the home page, locate the Get Started button and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address, then click on the Start Now button. Next, you will receive an email to verify your account. Check your email inbox for the verification message from Tidio. Open the email and click on the verification link. This will redirect you back to the Tidio website. Now, set a password for your account. After entering your password, click Create Account. Once your account is created, you will be taken to the Tidio dashboard. Here, you will see an option to set up your chatbot. Click on the Set Up Your Chatbot button to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize your chatbot. You can choose your bot's appearance and responses according to your needs. Next, integrate Tidio with your website. Find the integration options on the dashboard and select your website platform. Follow the specific instructions provided for your platform. Once integration is complete, go back to the Tidio dashboard. Next, navigate to the Automation section. Click on Create New Automation to set automated lead responses. Fill in the required fields with your desired response triggers and messages. Save your automation settings. You can test your chatbot by interacting with it on your website. Monitor the chat interactions through the dashboard's Analytics section. Adjust your automated responses as necessary based on user engagement. Continue refining your chatbot to improve lead responses over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.